World Insane Job Part 2. A snake milker is a person who extracts venom from venomous snakes for medical research, antivenom production, or other scientific purposes. The venom is collected by gently stimulating the snake's venom glands, which causes the snake to release the venom into a container. Snake milkers typically work in controlled environments, such as zoos, venom extraction centers, or research facilities. They must be trained in the safe handling of venomous snakes and the proper techniques for extracting venom. The job of a snake milker is both challenging and rewarding. It requires a high degree of skill and knowledge, as well as a calm demeanor and a love of snakes. Snake milkers play an important role in the development of antivenoms and other medical treatments, and their work helps to save lives. Here are some of the responsibilities of a snake milker. Extract venom from venomous snakes. Operate laboratory equipment. Maintain records of venom extractions. Conduct research on snake venom. Train other snake milkers. The average salary for a snake milker in the United States is $45,000 per year. However, salaries can vary depending on experience, location, and the type of employer. If you are interested in becoming a snake milker, there are a few things you can do to get started. First, research training programs in your area. Second, gain experience working with snakes, such as volunteering at a zoo or serpentarium. Finally, network with other snake milkers to learn more about the job. Here are some of the skills and qualities that are important for a snake milker. Calm demeanor. Love of snakes. Strong attention to detail. Ability to work independently. Ability to work in a controlled environment. Ability to handle venomous snakes safely. If you are looking for a challenging and rewarding career in the field of zoology, becoming a snake milker may be a good option for you.